What's up guys, this is Karol with yet another affiliate marketing video, and today we're going to look at how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2021 and beyond. Alright, there is lots of misinformation about that, confusion, a lot of people are struggling, so let's just have a look at it right now. Alright, so how to actually make money with affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of people are struggling with it, a lot of people are quitting, failing, even though it's presented as a very easy to do thing. Alright, so why is that? The thing is that many people think about affiliate marketing just like something completely different from any other business, alright? And what I mean by that is that I don't want to use that many people are seeing it as a get-rich-quick scheme, but not many people are actually looking into it or at it as any other business, alright? And that's the key. We need to think about affiliate marketing just like any other business, alright? And what I mean by that, or what is hidden underneath, is that when you, let's say, when you open a brick and mortar store, alright? You wouldn't necessarily expect a lot of sales literally the first day you open it or you have it, right? In order to get the sales, in order to get the customers flooding into your store, you will need to do a bunch of other things. You will need to do marketing, you will need to pretty much let the people know you exist, all right, that you're open, maybe send out some flyers, maybe do some ads, you know, build some kind of like a relationship with them, like, okay, here we are, you know, send out some marketing, you know, I don't know, what is it, material, whatever it is, okay? But the idea is that it will take some time, and there are some processes you will need to do in order to actually get those sales that you actually want, alright? So it's not gonna be overnight success or anything like this, and this is where many people fail in kind of like understanding this, that it is kind of like any other business, you know, it's not like something, you know, something new that arrived here and now this is the chance to really, you know, have a big boom, and if you don't have it, then, you know, next year is just gonna pass on. That's not what this is. You know, affiliate marketing is a well-established business. It's going to be here for I don't know how long, you know, and it's very popular actually, and just growing. So it is, we need to think about it as a legitimate business. So what is the secret sauce that we need to implement into the affiliate marketing? So first of all, let's have a think about why do we as human beings buy things, all right? Or better to say, why do we buy the things we buy from that particular person, that particular salesperson, or that brand, or whatever it is, all right? Let's just think about it. When you're buying a phone, you're buying, let's say you're buying the iPhone, all right? Even though the functionality of the iPhone is very similar to maybe a Chinese product, Chinese phone, which costs maybe $200, $300, all right? But you're going to buy the iPhone, which is $1,200, all right? Why do you do that? Okay, it's not necessarily about the functionality, okay? The functionality is, I would say, very similar to this Chinese brand, okay? But why do you buy the iPhone? Because you like the brand, you like the Apple brand or the iPhone brand, you like them, you know them, all right? You're familiar with them, you know, everybody is having it, it's the thing to go for, all right? And you definitely trust them that they create quality products, that, you know, you trust them that anything, you know, if anything happens, you're going to, you know, you're not going to lose the money, and it's a good investment and all of that stuff, all right? So this is what we call the know, like, and trust factor, all right? So let me just put it over here because it's very important to understand. Factor, okay? That's R, small r. Then, yeah. So this is why people buy from salespeople and from brands that we buy from, okay? Because we know, like, and trust these brands, all right? Now, again, this know, like, and trust factor wasn't built overnight, all right? It was built over the few years, maybe months, and, you know, all of that stuff, you know, implementing and giving, you know, people a great value and great products, okay? And this is exactly what you need to implement into your affiliate marketing business, okay? You need to think about your business exactly like any other brands. You need to create this know, like and trust factor. Now, how do you actually do it, or how does it even look like? Okay, now in affiliate marketing it's all about you, okay? Like you are the brand, you are the product, okay? So, well, not that much of a product, but definitely the brand. You are the brand, okay? And you need to market first of all yourself, okay? You need to create this know, like and trust factor with your potential customers, or so-called relationship, okay? You need to create the relationship with your potential customers, with your viewers, relationship, okay? This is key, guys. We need to create the relationship with our potential customers, all right? So, you know, and with the relationship, as much as in any other brick and mortar store, there are people who are going to come into your business, all right? And they are not going to buy straight away. You know, they are just going to maybe just browse, you know, or just look around. Then they come again and again, and then they will come, all right? And that's exactly the same with affiliate marketing. People are not going to create this relationship with you straight away. Some of them will, of course. You will find people who will, you know, connect with you immediately on the day one, but most people, that's going to be a process, okay? Creating this relationship, creating this connection. And that's why it's so important to build on it and to have it in your mind that it takes some time, okay? It's exactly like you need to think about it as well as from your own perspective, like a customer. You create the relationship over a period of time, that you see that this person, you like that person because you trust them, you see the online presence of this person, you see him, he's giving you some valuable information, and over the time you will trust them. You particularly cannot say when this relationship happened that you trust them. There's no like and trust factor, all right? It's not going to be a specific date in time, but it's over a period of time. Now, how do you actually do this in affiliate marketing? Okay, how do we implement this relationship into affiliate marketing? Let's have a look first of all on the ways that a lot of people are teaching you and are holding you back from having a success in affiliate marketing. So let me just erase this so we have space to write. So first of all, the traditional thing or pretty much the most common thing that people will teach you is to send traffic, which is just pretty much customers or potential customers, eyeballs, directly to the sales page, okay? This is like, when we go back to the brick and mortar store example, this is something like you would, let's imagine a scenario that you, sorry about this, that you enter the shop, okay? And just on the entrance, they're going to give you literally the bill to pay for a specific product, okay? You're not even inside of the shop and you already have a bill to pay, okay? That's pretty much what it is. Obviously, I get you can guess it. This doesn't work, okay? This might work. This might have worked in maybe early 2000s when affiliate marketing and the whole online thing was brand new, but now it doesn't work, okay? And many people are still teaching it just because it's pretty much most of the time it's very easy to teach, okay? Now, the second thing, which especially me, I was hooked up on this quite some time, is again traffic, which is good, all right? They tell you to send the traffic to so-called opt-in page or a squeeze page, okay? Which is all good. A squeeze page or an opt-in page is pretty much a very simple website where there is some kind of a headline, all right? And then there is a space for people to enter their email address and a button to continue, okay? Now the headline will tell something like, I don't know, if it is in fitness, you know, how to lose weight in 4 weeks. Enter your email address to find out, okay? Which is all good. Now, once they enter their email address, you collect their email, And that's it. Okay, now that you have the email, which is all good. But what they tell you now is to send them again straight to the sales page. Now this, again, you can guess, it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Because it's, in essence, it's pretty much very similar, and most of the time it's the same as this one. Now, you have added something extra over here, all right? But in essence, it's the same. You're not giving them anything extra. In reality, you're actually asking them something extra, which is to give their email address, which most of us, we don't like to give our emails. And if we do, we usually put some dummy email or some fake email just to get through, okay? So this is pretty much, again, not gonna work, okay? Even though many people will tell you the sales page is high converting and all of that crappy stuff, just don't believe in that, okay? It might be, it doesn't matter how high converting it is, if you're going to do this, it's not gonna work. So how do you actually do this? So the right way is to, let me just delete this because I don't have space. So the right way is to send the traffic. Okay, we send the traffic to the opt-in page, which is all good. All right, opt-in page is good. We capture the email address. Right, that's all good and nice. Now, however, what we say here is how to get fit in 4 weeks. All right, over here, we send them to something called a bridge page. Now, the bridge page is again very similar to an opt-in page, so a one-page website. Over here, we actually deliver on our promise from the opt-in page. Okay, so we deliver the information that we promised them. So here we said how to get fit in 4 weeks. Here we deliver that information, and it's going to be you who deliver this information. Okay, so it's going to be something like a video over here and a button. Now, with this bridge page, let me just write it over here, bridge, and this is opt-in. Okay, here we deliver on this promise from the opt-in page. So what does it mean is that here on the bridge page you will actually tell and give them the valuable information that they asked for when they enter the email address. Okay, so it doesn't need to be rocket science. Okay, it doesn't need to be anything like that. You talk something about here, the best one is on the video. Okay, you tell something about this thing. Okay, you tell them actually how to get fit in 4 weeks. Okay, and what it does is, this is the magic, this is where the magic happens, guys. Okay, because here you go out and people now can connect with you. This is where the connection happens. Okay, what we talked about, this is it, the relationship happens over here. You give them the chance to connect with you and build the relationship. Now, obviously, it's not gonna happen on the first day. Some of them will. Okay, some of them will be like, okay, this guy, I like him, I really much connect with him, it's really great, I'm going to be with him, I'm going to buy from him. But other people might not. But that's why you have the email address. Okay, now they already know you and trust you, or at least know you. Okay, know who you are, and you can build on that relationship. Okay, with emails. Now, after this bridge page is over, you send them to the sales page. Okay, and that's it. Here the button will send them to the sales page. Now this, guys, very simple as you can see, but this makes the whole difference over here. Okay, this bridge page over here, where you put yourself out, you give the valuable information out, that happens and that makes the whole difference. Now the big question might be for you, how do you actually do this? Like, you might be like, okay, Karol, this is a big aha moment for me. I understand, I see the power in it. It's actually pretty simple, but I don't know how to actually do this, how to actually create this. And don't freak out, that's completely fine. That's why I've created a 4-day video series where I go literally from A to Z, from the very beginning until the very last step, from A to Z, where you can learn exactly how to create this, how to implement yourself, how to create all of this system over here, so you can build your affiliate marketing business. It's completely free, all right, and you get full access to it. Just consider it as an extension of this video, okay? If you're interested in it, go ahead, click the link in the description below. It's the first link in the description, and you'll get full access to this 4-day video series, all right? Now, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got a lot of value. Hope you get lots of aha moments. If so, give me thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever I post a new video. And listen, if you're interested in the 4-day video series, I'll see you inside over there. If not, then completely fine. I will see you in the next video. Thank you again for watching, and see you. Have a great week. Bye, guys.